Hi, I'm Sarah Appelman. I have been a children's occupational therapist for over 20 years. My goal as an occupational therapist is to provide as many free or affordable resources to families who are working with sensory processing disorders. In this video series, we'll be discussing different problems you may face while parenting a child with autism, sensory processing disorders, or even just plain picky eaters. I'm glad you're here. Let's start playing with our food. Hi, I'm Sarah. This is my friend.
And I'm Joshua.
Joshua, yay. Okay, so Joshua's gonna help us make something delicious and super easy. If you get nervous with dough and you don't wanna make your dough from scratch, go to the freezer section of your local grocery store. You could get phyllo dough, puff pastry dough, defrost it, which is what we just did, and then you can put anything you want. So for my favorite, apple season, I love the fall. I don't know if my name's Apple Man, so it's fine. I love apples. So what you're gonna do is you defrost it and roll it out, otherwise it'll crack and crumble. And then if you could wash it, inside here is olive oil, water, and an egg white. And that's the mix that we use. So if you could paint it, go for it. You're in charge. Go for it, bud. And remember, it doesn't matter if we get messed. This stuff, you know, it's all good to get. Yeah, if you want to use your hand to hold the paper, perfect. So, you know, if you're working on pre-hand writing skills and you want your child to work on vertical or horizontal, you could do it with cooking. This is the best part. No, you're doing such a good job. Love it. Mm-hmm. And then do you want to make it like you could put like more layers on top once you wet it? However you may want to do one or two more. I love it. So starting at the top, going down. This is awesome. And now you're going to take with your hands, you can put that layer on top. Perfect. Take this.
It's hard to believe this is dough. It feels like paper.
I know, but it gets a flaky crust. It's super yum. Here, so you could take these and just gently pull it and put it right just like that. And you can pick it up. And just lay it right on top. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Just get it right on there. Oh, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna flip that one up. Okay, and now do the same thing. Mm-hmm. Very good. And, you know, can you try to go from left all the way across to right?
Okay.
No, keep it in your left hand and go here all the way across. Perfect. Just like that. And now you can go back to vertical if you want. Good job. So now that we have the amount that we wanted, we're gonna put some layers of apple. If you don't want to use gopher, but if you don't want to use, you know, a homemade apple where you peel and put them in a pot with a little bit of butter or non-dairy, and then you put cinnamon, sugar, brown sugar. I even do lemon and grate the lemon. But if that's a lot, you could get just apple pie stuffing. You know, they have a can. So that makes it easier, and that's fine. And now you just, there you go. And use this hand to hold it so it doesn't, yeah, perfect. Yeah, try to get it all the way to the edge. Okay, now can you take this and cinnamon sugar, sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar, and then we're gonna put the layers on top again. Oh, that's a professional way to do it. Okay, your job, bud. Get ready. You got to put your painting on, little Picasso.
Now this way.
Very good.
And now this.
Okay, here you go. You ready? You want to do it? Oop. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Get it in there. All right. Go for it. All right. Then all you do, you just keep putting the layers on, bake it 375, and you get to cut up some delicious stuff. I can't wait to see how yummy it's going to smell and taste. Our back, this looks absolutely delicious. Are you ready to try it?
Yep.
Go for it. Pick a piece, corner. Yeah. Ooh, I can't wait to hear the crisp. Go for it. Ooh. That's good. All right. So again, this is just a simple, fun thing you can do in your home. It's apple season. It's my favorite. And this is just a delicious, easy thing to do.